this, you just need a T30 socket to get the bolts off of the shifter itself and the hold down clamp for the shift cable. 1/4 inch ratchet, or optional a electric ratchet. Some trim removal tools, a pick just to get some of the electrical connectors disconnected. Some of them have locks on them, you just want to unlock them with this. And you're going to need a 10mm socket, a 7mm socket, and this does make it a little bit easier, a stubby 7mm just to get in between the seat and the console. And then obviously your new shifter. This video is for anybody that has a Chevy. Should have bought a Ford, but if you got this message there, it's saying shift to park, and you're in park. I'm just going to show you how to fix that real quick. You just gotta, there you go. So we're going to start by just removing the whole center console section here so we can get to the shifter. Now we're going to pop off this section. Oh, okay. Change the design now, it's bolted on. Oh yeah, bolted on, bolted on. Okay. Now we need to take these two plugs off to get the shift. That's what stays in the little pocket. Now the shifter assembly. So I have this crossbar here. Are we gonna listen? If that's not in, then your nut won't come up. Make sure it sits in the slot. So I'll hold it and then take it out. A little washer right there too. Make sure you don't lose that washer. And there's that bolt. Now you should be able to. So the reason that the message is displayed there is because of this little switch here. Whenever you put it in park, it's supposed to latch it, but these little switches either fail or this little bar gets overextended and it unlatches the switch. You see here, if you pull on it too much, it makes like a U bend and then it unlatches the switch here. Can't really see it. Oh yeah, it looks like a different switch entirely. So that's what the old switch looked like. And here is the updated switch, that blue switch right there. So it looks like they did change it up a little bit. Looks a little bit beefier. So hopefully this one lasts a little bit longer. So now to put it back together, we just reverse everything we did. You have these little notches here, these little notches here. You just got to place those notches in there and push forward. So, in there, push forward. There we go. Now we can take our long bolt. This guy. Okay. And go in here. Take a washer. That there. Okay. Put that back in place. Okay. Now we can start putting all the wires back. And that alarm should go away as soon as I plug this in. Finally. Put these connectors back in. These two bolts back in.